Here, I have no idea. But I don't have the maintenance man signal doing its thing, so that tells me nothing's fried. And the light's going up and down, which tells me it's probably cycling.
You can hear it running over at the well.
Did these help you, these instructions, or was that something you already knew? You didn't even look at them, did you? That's a man that knows what he's doing. He doesn't give a damn about directions.
He knows how to always...
It's a pump. It's got 2 wires and a ground. I know what to do. And I know where to put it down the hole.
Yeah, after you've done it as long as I have. About do it with your eyes closed.
I'd stick my ear down to it just to see, but if I got an earful of water, I guess it's okay.
You could always say, I got the first little bit of water that came out of that well.
And with all the little rocks and pieces in it, I may be getting that left in there too.
Yeah, that's a long way to push water.
Yeah. And only 2 gallons a minute, yeah, it'll take a while.
See, they're probably
We should have. What
50
time?
gallons of water just to fill that pipe up.
I wonder what time he actually flipped that switch. We ought to time that thing. 11 after now.